Hello everybody, I'm Brian Green, project manager with Nature Bridges. We're going to come together here today and do a little pre-construction video for you at Boshamps Restaurant and give you a little insight on what we got coming up and what's going to be going on next couple months.
I'm Pugh, outside sales for Builders FirstSource, and we are supplying all the materials for this beautiful project.
So we're coming together here. 15 years ago, we built this outdoor structure restaurant, sitting area, as you can see behind us here. There's been a lot of people come and go. A lot of people enjoyed it through the years, and now it's time to come back together again and give it a little facelift.
We were South Bay Ace at the time when we furnished the material at first. Now we're Builders FirstSource, furnishing the same great material. Just really proud to be a part of this thing again. Brian, tell us the process that you'll go through to make this project what we're looking so forward to seeing it turn out to be.
So what we'll do during the start of this is Nature Bridge is going to bring a little bit of experience and patience to it. We're going to slow down. We're going to clean out all the screw heads, remove the boards one by one rather than ripping them out, tearing up the substructure.
Which is a good price saving for the customer.
It is, Jay. A lot of people don't look at that. They just want to get on one end. They want to rip it out, put new decking down, tear up that substructure and walk back out. It looks pretty on top, but what you've done underneath is ruining the whole project. Yeah. So we're going to slow down on this one. We're going to give it the longevity that it needs on the substructure to last and give the client what they deserve.
It's going to be great. Here we are back at Boshamps. We've been on this job for about a month and a half. It's 30 to 40% finished, and this material that Builders FirstSource has provided is fantastic. We've got another month and a half to go, and it will be finished. We've been reusing what we could, saving the wood that we can, but the material that we're putting down is just number one from Builders FirstSource. Here we are back at Boshamps. It's been 3 months and wow, it's done and it looks fantastic. Brian, fantastic job, man. Wow.
Thank you, Jay. But you know, we couldn't have done it without a #1 A+ supplier like BFS. On point all the time, didn't have delays. Communication was good on both ends, in my office and in your office, in the field, and it helped the whole thing come together like you're seeing.
So Brian, now that it's finished, tell me how it went, and were there any challenges or changes?
We had some changes. Miller came in and wanted to delete some that we had on the boardwalk on the far side, so we took that out, and we wanted to incorporate a roof system for outdoor sitting.
Thank you for using us.
Absolutely.
It was a pleasure working with you.
And we look forward to working with BFS on many, many more.